Welcome to Small Town Adventures. I'm Zach, and today I got a fantastic product for you guys to check out. Stumbled upon it down at the Bloomsburg Fair. Let's get to it and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so this product is called Quick Survival. It is a fire starter. It's windproof, waterproof, you name it. Guy did the demo for me down there. He threw it in water, broke it up in little pieces, hit it with a steel. I feel this is worth me showing you guys, so let's get it. So it comes in this little pack here. Sorry if it's all a little busted up. That's how it came out of the bag though. And we're gonna light it up, see what it does. All right, so as he showed me in the little demonstration, took his little end of a steel, made a couple flakes here. Then just like that. All right, the next thing he said, you can take that, put it in the water, completely submerge it, let it float to the top, and then there it is, in water. It's fully submerged again. There you have it. So I will post a link in the bottom of this video for this. I think this is phenomenal. Where's that package? It has a 30-year shelf life, 100% waterproof, as you just saw, and food safe. And from my understanding is, it's made out of corn oil, at least from what I remember of him saying. So, like I said, I'll post the link. This could save your life in a pinch, whether it's on the trail, hunting, or even fishing, cold weather, and you get stuck. Have something like, well, have this in your bag. I haven't seen another fire starter like this that's this packable and waterproof. It's still good for the environment. I'm Zach. This is Small Town Adventures. This is my little product review. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. We'll catch you guys later.